Alright, well, I got the tape off the box, so let's see what we have. Oh boy. Okay. Claw visor kit. Not sure what that is. Not exactly sure what all comes with this thing, so. Oh, okay, the visor that goes around the top of it. That's going to keep the sunlight off of it, I suppose. Keep the glare down to a minimum. Maybe so. What do we got? Okay, got the bike clamp. Or the bar clamp, I mean. Okay. That ought to work. I'll have to take that ram mount off of there because I don't want it too cluttered up. Whew. Oh, look at y'all. Map to your specs by Fuel Moto. Can cause cancer and reproductive harm. Well, hell, I'm going to have to send it back now. At least it doesn't have coronavirus all over it. Well, now I got to come back and get a knife. Alright. I lost my pocket knife a while back, so the upholstery scissors will have to work. Suppose it's mine now. Alright, what's in the box, man? Paper! Sweet. Programming instructions. A book. Quick start guide. Notice. Yeah. All this stuff that's not important. Ooh, looky there. Now that's nice. That's some great packaging there. Wow. Okay. Well, phone's geeking out now. That's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Cool. Good times are ahead. I guess that's all that was on my 4-pin connector, all that good stuff. USB, that's probably for the laptop or whatnot, for updates, I guess. We'll find out shortly. I'm gonna get this set up and hopefully I'll get an install video shortly. Be back in a bit.